welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Mariam Ponda, and today I have a new video for you, and I would like to share body products. What am I using on my body to achieve soft, radiant and supple skin? So to start with, I would like to show you something that I've been gifted by a friend recently, and I am in love with it because it really speaks to me louder in so many ways. And I'll be picking a page randomly and then we will read, because I want to make it funny, because I'm really so difficult when it comes to reading. I love reading, but I don't know if I'm good at it. Like, I'm not that person who purchase a book and immediately go into it and start reading, but I would love to be that person. I have to make it a little bit funny, and I'm going to take you into this journey and we're going to do it together. So we'll start small, like we're starting with this quote book, and then we're going to go for different types of novels and see how we can go about that. So today's pick is going to be, oh shit, let me move the paper first inside. Random pick. Let me show it to you. So we're literally selecting randomly. Yeah, so this is the page that these two pages what we'll be going about today. So the first one was by Beyonce. When I'm not feeling my best, I ask myself, what are you gonna do about it? Okay, so what I'm getting from this is more of, if you can do something about a situation, do it. If you have no solution, you don't know how to do about it, why even bother about it at that moment? Yeah. And then Halle Berry said, everything happens for a reason, and when you believe in that, you free yourself from regret. This is very true. Like, first adding on this one, if you get knowledge on emotional intelligence, you literally know how to suspend yourself or suspense yourself in different situations, whereas you need to recognize when things are happening, is it you or you're just randomly in the wrong place at the wrong time with the wrong people. So anything happening, anything, it can be you being in that situation, can be something happening out of your will. Like, be a person that understand anything happen for a reason. You'd never know what is it that God is trying to protect you from, and by doing so, you won't really question or like regret or put so much emphasis like why not. There are many stories around this, and maybe one day we're going to deep dive into them. So back to the main video, and I would like to share with you my favorite body products. And I'm not gonna go in deep what they do, but literally I will show you what am I using on my skin. So to start with, so my first favorite shower gel is by Nooks, and it's a honey shower gel. It's very soothing and softens your skin, and I love it. And I will literally make sure I get another deal of this product, because it is it, girl. We're not going to talk much about it. It's good. The second shower gel is this one from Caudalie. I love this product because it's soap free and it's for all skin types. Given that I usually get the psoriasis on my skin, so this one is very gentle on my skin, and I like the smell, and also I love the the texture of the product. And the third one that I've been using is this one. So where I got the idea of buying this one was from a friend, I would say ex-colleague, now maybe I would say somebody that I've worked for in her business. So she has a business in Tanzania, and she has been always emphasizing to buy products for your body that have ingredients similar to the one of your face. For example, this one has vitamin C and niacinamide, so we know it's going to help you with the skin brightening, not lightening, skin brightening, but also it will help you like with like exfoliation and stuff like that, because it has niacinamide, and we love that for your skin. Also, it has some added allantoin and provitamin B5. I love this product, and I'll be repurchasing. Like, these are the three shower gel that I love them so much, and I'll buy them again and again and again. So after I use the shower gel, what next? I do scrub depending on the time, but I'm just giving you a sequence on that proper shower day. So I'm using a scrub, and I've been loving these products from this company called Body Prescription. Yes, this one, the Tropical Vibe. This product is it. It's really beautiful for your skin, and it really it's not that you know, sometimes you get the scrub with having these like huge particles, like literally they hurt your skin, like when you are like rubbing around your skin, literally it's painful. This one is so soft, and the consistency is like, yeah, I want to eat it, and it smells divine. Literally, I love it so much. And if because I get this one from TK Maxx, I'll be literally hunting for them. Whenever I get them, I'll get back and like purchase. And if I get, I'll buy more and more and more and more and more, because girl, this product is gonna make your skin feels like a baby skin. Yeah, but I don't think it's only this. I think it's the only secret. Now you'll understand at the end how the products all together make your skin look good. So this is the scrub. So after I use the shower gel, I go next with the scrub, and then the third product after I use my scrub, I go in with this one. I don't know, it's a foaming shower gel or a mousse. So I have this one from Rituals. It's a Ritual of Karma. So it has some it gives that a hydration boost, and you know, after using all these things, like literally you've like you put down the guard of your skin. Now your skin is exposed, it needs more hydration. Given my skin is very dry, so it's important to hydrate my skin after that. So I use this one after using that one. So it's like it has like a mousse, I don't know, it feels like foaming but a mousse and like gelish, something like that. So I like this one. Sometimes I use some shower oils, but also I've not gotten the one that really is good for my skin, so that's the reason why I don't have one here. But another thing is, I'm not going to be buying this again. I don't know why, I cannot explain, but I'm not feeling it. Yeah, so simple as that. I'm not feeling it, so we're not buying this one anymore. So after that one, another shower gel that I've not used, like it's a body wash shower gel I've not used yet, but I would like to try, is also from Bells and Harding, and it's this one that has sea kelp and peppermint. So we know how much of good ingredients we get from the ocean, but also at the same time, this one is like organic extract, is natural, and has tea tree, it has green tea and aniseed, and these are all good ingredients and are good for the skin. So I'll be trying this one. I've not opened it yet. Yeah, so after I finish that, before my skin dries, I get out of the shower and I start layering the other products. Now remember, we had like 3 in the shower, now we're going for the body. So what I do for the body is I do 3 steps: cream, butter, body oil. So these are my favorite body cream so far. Primarily, I used to use this a lot, the CeraVe one, because of the psoriasis, and it was really working very well. But I'm like so tired, it has no smell, nothing. Yeah, it's giving me like dull content, but it's really good for your skin. And nowadays, I literally 100% use it for Keona, because I'm like, girl, you need it more. I need something exciting. So the cream that I'm using currently, that I've been like literally falling in love with, is this one. Yeah, it's the only one I had because I was trying. I was like, let me just get one to try. And this is the body cream that I've been using. I love it. I love it. The smell, not that much. I don't like the smell much, but it has these like honey particles. It has like if you can see, something brownish, so it has like some honey particles under it, inside it. But when you apply on the skin, like it melts on your skin, and I think that is really good. Yeah, so this is one of the cream that I'm using currently. And also another cream that I'm using is this one from Ritual of Karma also. I'm also not sure if I'm going to be repurchasing this one. I think it was a bad idea moving from the Rituals of Meher to this Ritual line. I should have sticked with the one that really worked for me and I love it. So this is the cream that I don't like that much. So I'm not going to be repeating buying this one. So once I finish this, I'm done. So I apply the cream, and sometimes it happens I use this one a lot. It's like literally it's inexpensive, but also quite practical, and it does the job. it like really does the job very well. And it was created by being inspired by the face products, and I think that's really good when you have body products that are really correlating with the face products. Yeah, so this is the other cream that I use on my skin. So up to the body cream, no, the butters. So after I apply the cream are very thin and really how do you say, they just dissolve very fast, but they also sometimes dry fast. I've not gotten the one that does not, that stay longer, so they kind of dry faster, so I need to like seal that moisture in. That's why I go in with the body butter. So the following are the body butter that I love. They're all from this company called Siroa. Yeah, so if you love this product, you want to try these products, you can check them at TK Maxx, because I don't know who else is selling them. For example, in Netherlands, I only get them at TK Maxx. So the first one that I've loved so much is this one that has iron. It's so fun when you start mentioning these scientific names and your tongue is not supporting you, and really, yeah. So this one has almond milk, but also it has hyaluronic acid, and it's very hydrating, smells really good, it's very calming to the body, nourishes the skin, it hydrates you, strengthens, like all the good things that you want to hear, the good stuff. Yeah, this product is it. Yeah, ignore that. Yeah, it means girl, I'm using it. So this is my third bottle, like my third one. It's that product that I'm telling you, you should not miss this on your day. Like once you start using it and you love glowy and hydrated skin, you won't stop, and I won't stop either. So whenever I see them, I'm buying them. And then we have another one that I've not yet tried. Yeah, it's this one, which is for glowing because it has vitamin C and manuka honey. Yo, yeah. So it's literally made to promote softness, growing, and brightened skin. So this is the body butter that I would like to start using. So this, when you open, it has this one. So because I'm always like literally using so many creams, this becomes a bit slippery. So that's why I usually remove after maybe, you say it's quite difficult. So if you've used the other creams, when it comes to it, you are not even able to like remove it. So it's key not to have it. Yeah. Oh. Wow. I hope I don't drop it. Yeah, so you can see I've never used it. Oh wow, I want to use it now, but we're not using we're not using something until we finish the other one. So really, I have so many open, so I think I'll use next. It really smells like, has that calming smell, and I'm smelling a bit of, I don't know if it's honey or what is it, but really it gives like, it's gonna be a good one. Last but not least, we are having other two products that are really important for your skin, and these are body oils. What are my favorites so far? On a day, don't ask me why, is this one. This product is from it's a French word, so how do we go about it? I don't know how to pronounce it. So it is from that store, and it's Manoi de Tahiti. So it's like Manoi oil from the Tahiti. Yeah, let's call it like that. It's a moisturizing pale oil. Bruh, you can see my skin. It's really giving that, yeah, meremeto fulani, like unakuwa unang'aa. It gives you that shining effect, and I wish I can like try it for you. Yeah, this is the only one I think I should try, because girl, I hope you understand what this product has done to me and why I'll keep on going back for it. Do you see that? It's giving that shimmery, yeah. You're looking like a Christmas light. This is the good part about this, how do you call it? About this body oil. That is my favorite. Like, I cannot miss that one. This is my third bottle, and we'll be going back. I love it so much. I started using this like, yeah, I think last year, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, last year. So prior to that, this was my favorite. I've not even opened. I've been having two, and then I used one. I never like opened this one. So this one is from Rituals also. It's Rich of Karma also. I didn't even know they're from the same line with the other things. So do good and good will come back to you. So it's a shimmering body oil. Let's try. Okay, I was to try only one, but now I'm breaking my own promise. So this is why did I buy this product? Because I used to like it, but it's not having that enough shimmery like the other one. I'll show you the difference. So we are applying this here. It's not bad, and the smell is really good, but you can see the intensity. This is lighter and this is quite intense. So I think this is the reason why maybe I opt for this one rather than this one. Yup. But let me tell you, summertime, when the sun is hitting every angle, and girl, I don't want to get burnt that much. I found this. Imagine having a body oil that is also a sunscreen. Not only a sunscreen, is SPF 50 plus. And I'm like, this is perfect. The best oil, but not only oil, sunscreen I've ever used. So when I'm going out and I'm running errands, I know I'm gonna be out of the sun. This is my oil. This one we're gonna do, it's too fancy to do out there, but this one is keeping it intact. So that will be the end of this video. I don't want to make you tired. So now you know which products and or which I use, and I'm going to recap on how I go about so as you don't forget. So time to take shower. You start with the shower gel, body scrub, and then you go to shower oil. But you can also use the jelly mousse to hydrate your skin. After that, do not wait for your skin to completely dry. When it's still moist, apply body cream and then apply body butter, and then after that, cement everything with a good body oil. Yes, and that was it, guys, for today. Thank you for watching the video. Sending you love, and also remember what we read. So thank you and bye.